Did you know that carrots can significantly boost your eyesight, metabolism, and immunity? Let's discover how a simple drink can transform your health. Today, you'll learn about a powerful carrot detox drink that combines delicious taste with incredible health benefits. This drink is not just refreshing, but it packs a punch when it comes to nourishing your body. So if you're curious about how to make this drink and what it can do for you, stick around because we're diving in. Many people struggle with maintaining good eyesight, a healthy metabolism, and a strong immune system, especially in today's fast-paced world. With so much processed food around us and our busy lifestyles, it's easy to overlook the importance of nutrition. Eye strain from screens, sluggish metabolism from poor diet choices, and a weakened immune system due to stress can all take a toll on our health. But what if I told you that a simple drink made from carrots could help tackle these issues? Sounds interesting, right? Let's explore how we can turn things around with this detox drink. Now let's dig into the key ingredients of our carrot detox drink. The star of the show is, of course, carrots. They are loaded with beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body, essential for good vision. But that's not all. Carrots also provide antioxidants which help protect your cells from damage. Next up, we have ginger. This powerful root not only adds a zing to our drink, but also aids in digestion and helps boost metabolism. Then, we'll throw in some fresh lemon juice, which is packed with vitamin C, perfect for strengthening the immune system. Lastly, we'll add a touch of honey for natural sweetness and additional antioxidants. Now here's how to make it. First, wash and chop about 4 medium-sized carrots. Then, peel a small piece of ginger and chop that too. Toss everything into a blender, squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon, and add a tablespoon of honey. Blend it all up with a cup of water until smooth, and voila! You've got a vibrant detox drink ready to fuel your day. Now let's talk about the surprising health benefits of this drink. Not only does it taste great, but it can also help improve your eyesight, thanks to that beta-carotene we mentioned. Drinking this regularly can boost your energy levels and enhance your metabolism, helping you maintain a healthy weight. Plus, the antioxidants in carrots, ginger, and lemon work together to strengthen your immune system, keeping you healthy and fit. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your body, this drink could be your new best friend. To wrap up, we've explored the amazing benefits of our carrot detox drink. It's a delicious way to improve your eyesight, boost your metabolism, and enhance your immunity. By incorporating this drink into your daily routine, you'll be taking a step towards a healthier lifestyle. So why not give it a try? If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out my other health-focused videos and leave a comment sharing your experience with the drink. I'd love to hear how it works for you and any variations you come up with. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Cheers to your health!